So hello everyone. So for the third problem is what is the clearance volumetric efficiency of an ammonia compressor designed with 4% clearance and operating between condenser temperature of 300 degrees Celsius with saturated pressure of 1672 megapascal and evaporator temperature of 4 degrees Celsius with saturated pressure of 497.48 kilopascal. So the choices we have the A is 93.61%, B is 93.68%, C is 96.31%, and D is 96.83%. So for the solution, we have the formula of efficiency is equals to bracket of 1 plus C clearance minus clearance times PD over PS raised to 1 over K. So we have the value of clearance, which is 0.04 or 4%, and then for the K is for ammonia and R-134A, the value of A is 1.304. So we have to evaluate those values. So we have the 1 plus 0.04 minus 0.04 times PD of 1167.2, which is the saturated pressure of condenser. So i-convert na siya into kilopascal. So then over 497.48 we have for saturated pressure of evaporator. So raised to 1 over 1.304 times 100. So i-calculate na natin siya na mga 96.31%, which is under C.